What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to the Glam0 Designs. My name is Yeda. I would love for you to join the Glam0 Squad by hitting that subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Before we get started, first and foremost, I want to say Happy Easter from me and the Glam0 Designs. Today, y'all, this project is going to be super simple, super easy, super cheap, and yeah, it's gonna look cute in your space. As you can see, I have all the items that I need down here, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first off, you're not gonna see me as much in the camera, but you want to get yourself a clear mason jar, and this one I got from Hobby Lobby for, it was $2.39, but it was on sale for 50% off. So you want to go ahead and take the top off. I'm gonna move everything else out of the way. Then you want to, and I know this is weird, but y'all, you want to save the tissue roll that you use, because this is going to go right in the center. And basically what you're going to do is take your jelly beans, and who else loves Starburst jelly beans? These are bomb, okay? Bomb. So you're gonna take these jelly beans, get your handy dandy scissors, and basically what you're gonna do is go around. We're just gonna place these right here. So you wanna grab your tulips. And like I said, I got these from Hobby Lobby. This bundle, regular price is $7.99 from Hobby Lobby, but you gotta use that 40% off coupon. So we're just gonna, hopefully these cut okay. This is how we're looking so far, and you can kind of arrange the flowers how you want them to look, but basically I'm just placing them in, and then I'm gonna go back and then kind of fix them up. Alright guys, so this is how it's coming out so far. I think it's so cute. Definitely would have chosen lighter jelly beans, but I feel like the flower kind of brings it up, and then once I put the little ribbon on it, I think it'll turn out really cute. So again, you can fluff it, you can put as many flowers as you want. I was just gonna go ahead and use the whole bouquet of tulips and call it one full. Okay, so yes. And make sure you are putting the flowers inside of the tissue holder, because that is how they are gonna stay together. Look at that. So cute, right? Alright, so next thing we are gonna do is go in with the ribbon. And I picked up this like salmon pink ribbon just because originally I planned to get the sweet tart jelly beans, but I could not find them, so I had to settle for Starburst. Still a pink Starburst in here, so I figured it is a little cute. ribbon basically is going to go around the front